In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms survey questionnaire. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you've never used Google Forms before, you'll be able to follow along and create a simple, professional-looking survey by the end. First, open your web browser and search for How to Create Google Forms Survey Questionnaire. This is a quick way to get to the Google Forms page if you're not sure where it is in your Google account. In the search results, you should see a link that mentions Google Forms. Click that and it will take you to the Google Forms interface. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log into your Google account before continuing. Once you're on the Google Forms page, you'll usually see an option to start a new form. Look for a blank form option to begin from scratch. Click it and a new form will open. At the top, you'll see a space to type your form title. This could be something like Customer Feedback Survey or Event Registration Form, depending on what your questionnaire is about. Just below the title, there's a description area where you can briefly explain the purpose of the survey and any important instructions, such as how long it takes or who should fill it out. Now you can start adding questions. The first question field is created for you automatically. Click on the question text area to edit it. On the right side of that question, you'll find a drop-down menu that lets you choose the type of question, such as multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes. Choose the type that best matches what you want to ask. For example, use multiple choice when you want people to pick only one option, and checkboxes when they can select more than one. To add more questions, look for the plus icon on the side toolbar. Each time you click it, a new question will appear. Take your time to go through each question and think about how clear it is for the person answering. You can also toggle required questions so respondents must answer them before submitting. When you're happy with your survey, use the preview option to see what it looks like from the respondent's perspective. Finally, click the Send button to share your form. You can copy the link and send it through email, messaging apps, or embed it on a website. And that's how you create a Google Forms survey questionnaire.